Hey guys, it's Ken on the BC here. Hope you're having an amazing day. I know I haven't uploaded in a few days, but that's because I've been moving places. I know it's within this corona period, but I've actually been moving places. And so while still decorating things, and I know if you can listen very well, you hear the echo because the place is actually still a bit empty. But I've been moving and I just decided to make some videos this week, probably because it's a brand new month, and I got some amazing content lined up for you. And to start off the content that we have for this week, I'm going to start by talking about this platform called Expertnaire. So for those of you who don't know, Expertnaire is basically a place where you can make money with affiliate marketing. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos about Expertnaire, and I hope that all these videos are going to provide you not just more knowledge, but also more money that you can make for yourself. And I think it's time to actually come out clean and show you all how to make money with Expertnaire. So don't go anywhere, sit back, jump into this video, digest everything, and most of all, get implementing, start using what you learn in this video to make money for yourself. With that being said, let's jump into my computer and I'll tell you what this Expertnaire platform is all about. Alright guys, welcome to this video. Now my goal with this video is to give you the most complete and comprehensive gist on what Expertnaire is and how you can make money from it. So there's a lot of talk online about Expertnaire and what Expertnaire is, but a lot of people don't give you the details, like what Expertnaire actually is and how you can make money from it. So what I've decided to do is cover all the possible angles that you can use to make money from Expertnaire, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So what is Expertnaire and how can you make money from it? I've put up a link that is also going to be in the description for how you can also sign up on Expertnaire. Now, Expertnaire is a platform where you sell other people's quality digital products and you get a commission in cash for every successful transaction. This is simply called affiliate marketing, and if you follow me here on YouTube, you've probably seen some of my other videos where I talked about affiliate marketing and how you can actually get paid for promoting other people's products, because that is what affiliate marketing is. So you promote other people's products and then you get a commission for every successful sale. That is what Expertnaire is all about, and that is what affiliate marketing is. So that is the primary way that you are meant to make money on Expertnaire from. Now, there's 3 different ways actually that you can use to make money on Expertnaire. Like I said, this video is going to go in depth and explain everything for you so that you know that there are other ways you can make money apart from just promoting other people's products. But in order to get into any of these 3 ways, you first of all need to register in order to do any of these methods. So I've put up the link right here on the screen. It's also going to be on the description. Make sure you use the link and sign up, create your account. I think it's just 10k to create a new account, and you pay that money and you create your account. So the 3 ways to make money on Expertnaire: the first one is making money by promoting other people's products. The second one is making money by listing your own product on the site. And then the third way you can make money is by referring other people to sign up. I'm also going to explain what all these 3 ways are and how you can actually take advantage of them if you want to. So the first part is making money by promoting other people's products. Now, to do this one is quite easy. To do this, you're going to need to create something called a sales funnel. Now, I've also done other videos here on YouTube talking about sales funnel. You can check them out. And you're also going to need to sign up for an email autoresponder. Now, the one I recommend is GetResponse, and you can actually get an account with them using the link on your screen. It's also going to be in the description. And when you use my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial, and then you pay only $15 later for 1,000 subscribers, right? So using that link, you can sign up for GetResponse and you get a 30-day free trial, because you're going to need to create a sales funnel if you want to make money by promoting other people's products. So what's the process like? The first thing is, once you create an account on Expertnaire, you're going to need to pick a product from the product marketplace. Then you're going to need to create a sales funnel for it, and then you're going to drive traffic to the funnel, and that is how you make money. So right now I'm going to head over to Expertnaire and show you what the product marketplace looks like, and then you're just going to pick a product from there and you're going to market that product in order to make money. So I'm going to switch over to my Expertnaire account right now. And as you guys can see right here, this is what the Expertnaire product marketplace looks like. So there are a lot of different products here with different levels of affiliate commission. All you want to do is, after signing up to Expertnaire, that's the only time that you have access to a page like this. So when you sign up, you're going to have access to this page. You're going to pick a product, any product that you would like to promote, and then you get a link. Now, once anybody signs up through your link, you're going to get paid a percentage, right? You can see the percentage commission that you're going to get paid based on the people that sign up through your link. So that is what the product marketplace is all about. I'm going to switch back to the presentation right now. Alright, so I just showed you what the product marketplace looks like, and I've told you you need to actually get into Expertnaire in order to have access to that page. So the process, like I said, is very simple. You pick one of the products from the product marketplace, you create a sales funnel for it, you drive traffic to that funnel, and that is how you make your money. And Expertnaire pays out every Friday, so you have no problem with that. They're going to pay your money so far as you get a sale through your link. The next pathway for making money through Expertnaire is by making money through selling your own digital products, or by listing your own digital products. Now, this step is actually simple to do. The first thing you need to do is send an email to help@expertnaire.com with your request to list your product on their site. So this email address is also on their website page. Then they will send you a reply with the details that you have to provide them. Now, if your request is successful, they will let you know, and then your product will be listed on the product marketplace. And once your product is listed, other affiliates that sign up on Expertnaire will be able to promote your products, and then you will make money. So this is the second way that you can make money on Expertnaire, which means that you don't have to only start promoting other people's products. If you have a good product out there, and remember I said Expertnaire only accepts quality products, so if you have a good product, you can just send an email to them, and if you are successful, they will list your product on the product marketplace, and then other affiliates would be able to promote your products, and you will make money like that. So some people, this is entirely what they do because they have quality products. They are not going about promoting other people's products. They simply list their own products, and Expertnaire puts it on their site, and they also make money that way. So that's the second way of making money through Expertnaire. And then the third way of making money through Expertnaire is by referring other people. So they just started this one recently, and in order to take advantage of this, you have to register on Expertnaire using the link shown on your screen right now. You will receive your referral link after you sign up on Expertnaire, and then for anyone who registers with your link, you're going to make money. Now, the money you're going to make in this case is fixed, and people have to actually pay and register through your link. Right now, at the time of recording this video, you get paid 3K for every successful sign up that you get through your link. So that's how to make money. Now, this is not like the ultimate way because your earning is actually limited. You only get 3K per each person signing up through your link, so it's quite limited, but still it's a way of making money through Expertnaire, and that's why I have listed it here. So those are the three actual ways to make money through Expertnaire. Now, depending on what level you belong to, and depending on your expertise, any of these methods can work for you. It's all about knowing the one that you can actually start with and the one that you can follow through and make money with. So the next step right now is to go ahead and register your Expertnaire account using the link in the description. Grab your links and then start promoting. I'm also going to be doing other videos giving my experience and talking about like the different products on the site. I'm also going to do more in-depth videos on Expertnaire and why you should sign up on it, and also give you ideas on how to promote, what not to do, and other stuff like that. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.